Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Hype investment website. So by using this Hype investment website script, you can create your own Hype investment website within just 10 minutes. So basically this is a HyipRio latest version script 2.4 and it is completely working. So viewers, in this video I will give you a complete and overview of this website, and I will show you how we can use this website and how we can control this website from admin panel. Just in order to show you, I've just installed it on my subdomain, so you can see it is on my subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.in. So if you want to buy the source code from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us on WhatsApp, and our website link is also in description. You can directly go to our website and see the details about the script. So now let's move towards our video and let's start our video. So first of all, you can look at its amazing homepage, how amazing its homepage is, and it has 3 different templates. So you can use any of the templates. So currently I'm using the default template, but I will show you how you can change this template. Whatever you want to change, you can change it. Here is a plan section. So currently site is newly created, so I haven't created any plan, but be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will create plans from admin panel and I will show you how you can create plans. So this is a profit calculator, so you can change these things, how it works section. There is an investment, latest investment and withdrawal section. So if you want to change these things, you can change them as well. Here is why you choose us section. So this is FAQ section, and there is you can also insert blogs on this website. So it's completely easy. These are the gateways, and this is a footer section. So users can also change the about page of this website, complete footer section of the website, social media links, everything is completely changeable, so there will be no issue in it, and admin can easily control this website from admin. So if you buy it from us, we will give you a complete 100% money back guarantee, and it's completely working and it's the latest version script. So if you want to change the language of the website, you can easily change the language, and you can use it in any of the language of the world you want to use it. So there will be no issue with the language. So if you want to visit these pages separately, so you can visit these pages separately as well. So here you can visit these pages separately. Similarly, about blog and contact page, you can visit them. Now viewers, here is a register page. So you have to fill these details in order to register on the website. Now we already have an account, so I'm not gonna register again. And the most important thing is here you can also turn on of dark mode as well on the website. So it completely depends on you. So you can turn it on off from here. So now let's go to account and let's log into our user panel. So I already have an account, so I will directly log in with my existing details. So here I have to enter my password, and when I click on account login, it will log me into my user panel of this website. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel of this website, and it has a very amazing user panel. So I've just removed the dark mode, but you can turn it on from here if you want to use in dark mode. And let me show you how it looks like in a mobile, and for mobile user it has a very amazing look. For example, when I use it in a mobile, so it looks like this. So it's completely in app view, and it has a very amazing look in a mobile. So you can see how amazing look it is in mobile, looks in a mobile. And here it looks like mobile like this, and this is how user can use it in mobiles. So currently I am using it on my laptop, so let me convert it to laptop mode. So this is how it looks like in a PC, and I also showed you the mobile view as well. So viewers, here you can see a total transaction, total deposits on the website, total investment, total profits, total transfers, total withdrawal, referral earning, investment bonus, total referral users, rank achieved. All these things are here in front of user, and user can see everything in here. User can see its latest transactions. Here's a referral link of user, and user can earn money through referrals as well. So you can set as many as referral levels you want from admin panel. So here user can see its main wallet balance, profit wallet balance. Here is a deposit options. So from here user can deposit money using any of the gateways. So currently our website is newly created, but I will show you how you can create deposit gateways from admin panel. It's completely simple. and there will be no issue with it. So you can easily create deposit gateway from admin panel, and you will get many automatic payment gateways, and you can also create any manual payment gateways as well. So here is invest now section. So user can invest in multiple plans in this section. So we haven't created any plans, so it's showing nothing. But when we create plan from admin panel, the plan will be listed right here in this section. Here admin can see all its schema logs, all its transactions, add money, its deposit section. Here a user can see its deposit logs, so user can exchange its wallet. So there's a wallet exchange option, which is a very amazing thing. Here user can send money from one account to another using this option. So user can send money from one website to another on this same website. Here user can see send money logs, where user can withdraw money, see withdraw logs, user can see ranking. Here is a referral things. So user can see all its referred user right here in the section, and this is a referral link of user, and user can see all its notification right here in this section as well. So viewers, this is the user panel of this website. Now let's go to our admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from admin. So I'm directly going to my so let me just copy the link and let's go to our admin panel. So let's type /admin. So I will directly go to my admin panel right here. So this is the admin login page. So here we have admin has to enter its email and password in order to log into it, the admin panel of this website. So I have to enter my admin panel details, and here I have to enter my password, and when I click on admin login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website, and admin can completely control this website from here and see all the details of the website in this section. So here user can see total users on the website. Here user can see the active users on the website. Here user can see the site staff members that are controlling the website, and here everything is in front of user admin. So admin can view all the details of the website right here in this section, and here admin can see total investments, and these are some graphs related to the investments of users right here. It is a very amazing look of its admin panel. So admin can completely view everything in front of the dashboard. So here admin can see the total notifications of user registration, deposits, withdrawals, everything is in front of admin. And here admin can change its details of admin passwords, emails, everything else. So admin can change it from here. And here there is a customer section. So when I click on all customers, so admin can view all the customers on the website. So currently you can see that there is only one customer, that is on our own account. So here admin can send the email to the customers, admin can edit the users on the website. So here you can see that admin can completely change all the details of the customers on the website. Here admin can send them email, admin can log in as a user. Here admin can add or subtract funds to the user account. So it's completely easy, and admin can manage all the details and verification section right here. Here is admin can see all its investments, earning, transaction, referral tickets here in front of the users. So there's the active customer, disabled customer. Admin can view, send notifications, send email to all of the users directly from here. So everything is in front of admin. Here admin can manage the KYC forms. Admin can create the KYC forms and turn on off KYC from this section. Here when I click on manage roles, so admin can manage the roles on the website. Here admin can see the super admin, manager, editor, and if admin want to create a new role, admin can create it from here. Here is a staff members. So from here admin can create a staff members of the website. Here is a manage schema. So from this section admin can create a plan on the website. So first of all we have to make a schedule for the plan, hour, daily, weekly. So you can create it from here, and here is a manage schema option. So you can create the plan directly from this section. Just click on add new, and you can simply create a plan. So first of all you have to give an avatar, and I'm giving just a random image for avatar. So you have to give the image you want to insert. Here you have to give the plan name. So I'm entering the basic here you can insert schema badge, so you can insert badge, and you can select the type, fixed or range, and here you can select the amount of the plan, and here number of ROE you want to give. So here you want it for 1 hour, daily, weekly, whatever you want, you can select it from here. And here how much time it will be repeated, you can select it for lifetime as well. And here you can set the public holidays as well. So I'm not setting the public holidays yet, but you can set it up from here. And here you can set other things related to schema trending, schema cancellation, everything is here, and you can select it out. So just click on add new schema and it will create a plan on your website. So here you can see that our basic plan has created successfully. Now let's go back to our website, and when I click on invest now option, so you can see that our plan has created successfully, and now user can easily invest in this plan, and user can see all the details of the plans here. Similarly, you can create all the plans, any plan you want in a way you want from here. So you can create these plans from here. Here you can see the transaction, you can see the investment, user profits. These are the automatic payment gateways. So here you can see the multiple automatic payment gateways are available, and you can use them and insert them on your website, and user can pay through these automatic payment gateways. There's a deposit option, so here you can see the automatic deposit methods right here. So from here you can create a deposit method, just click on add new, and from here you can create deposit method easily by filling these simple details. You can create an automatic deposit method, manual deposit method, you can approve or reject the requests of users deposits. Similar is the case with withdraw. You can create a withdraw method, automatic withdraw method, manual methods. So you can create everything from here. Here's a manage referral option, so from here you can create as many as referral you want. You can set up the user ranking from here. Here is a setting option, so let's go to site settings, and you can change the logo of website, whatever you want to do. You can turn on of email verification, user deposits, withdrawals, send money. You can change the name of admin, you can change the currency of website, you can insert any of your local currency you want. You can change the time zones, site email settings are here. You can set up minimum, maximum deposit, everything is in front of you, and you can manage these things from here. So you can manage the email settings, SMS settings, push notification setting, notification tune. You can insert any language on the website from here, language settings. So it's completely easy. Just click on add new, and by filling this simple details you can insert a language on your website from here, so there will be no issue in it. And here you can manage the pages. There's a theme manager, so let's go to site themes. So viewers, here you can see there are 3 different templates, themes are given in the script, so you can use any of the theme you want. So you just have to click on active now, and your plan will be activated. So let's check out whether our plan is live or not. Just go to our home page, and let's see it. And here you can see that our plan is live on our website now. Our theme is live, and it's also a very amazing theme, so users can easily use it. So viewers, similarly you can update this theme as well. And there's a landing page, so you can completely edit the home page as well. As I told you, you can completely edit the home page, hero section, schema, whatever you want to edit, you can edit it. Here are pages settings, nav bar settings, email template, and some other settings are here. So viewers, this is the complete overview of this website. Now if you want to buy the source code from us, to contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in the description. You can contact us and buy the source code from us, and if you buy it from us, we will give you a free installation of the script that no one will give you. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.